Now, I want to talk a little bit about some of the precise ways that Rayliant is introducing machine learning and big data into the models that underlie Henderson Rowe client portfolios. First, I'm going to give two more examples very briefly from other domains just to show you what these tree-based models look like. So a decision tree, the basic idea is you start with an example. It's a set of data representing one unit. It could be a patient coming into a hospital. It could be the bank of a river where we're worried about a landslide. It could be a stock and we're trying to evaluate whether it's a good or a bad investment. So the example on the left, this is a decision tree from the field of medical research. Decision trees have been used frequently in medicine because it's really great to have, for someone doing diagnostics, it's great to have a set of yes or no questions that you can ask and answer and then come up with a diagnosis or prognosis. This is a tree that was used in emergency departments when a patient presents with chest pain. The question is, how likely is it this person's got heart failure? And this would help to triage. And so you ask questions about the patient. You ask, what is the patient's blood urea nitrogen level, what is their systolic blood pressure, and so on. And if you ask enough of these questions, you can come up with a prediction about the level of risk that patient has heart failure. The chart on the right, this is a machine learning decision tree that's using data from groundwater sensors along the Yangtze River and trying to predict landslides. And so the idea here is the machine learns the structure in the data. The machine figures out which are the right series of questions to ask, what are the implications of a certain set of answers, but it's humans that supply the data. It's humans that supply the actual questions themselves. And to the extent that you can create better medical tests, if you can build better sensors to put in the ground and measure water levels, you can design inputs that help the machine to learn better and make better predictions.